I'm going to show you today how you can make money from turning a photo that was in black and white into a photo that is in a color image. Now, this is absolutely mind-blowing and you can actually make a lot of money from this. If you're interested, if it sounds interesting, make sure you watch the video all the way to the end, because I'm going to explain to you everything that you need to do so that you can actually make your money. I found this out like maybe 2 months ago, and it's really working because so many people are looking for this opportunity. So make sure you watch this video carefully so that you can actually make this money. Now, it's absolutely free to do. You don't have to pay any money to do this, and it's available worldwide. So whether you're in America or Australia or Africa, Asia, Europe, South America, we can actually all get access to this opportunity. And you can decide to do this on your phone or on your computer. I personally do this on my computer because I feel it's better to do this on a bigger screen, but it is all up to you. Now, before I show you this awesome method, please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that subscribe button, that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. And turn on the post notification bell. Click that bell, which means that every time I have a new video, you are going to get a notification. So check this out over here. There's actually a website called Colorize. It's colorize.sg. Basically what happens is that you colorize your black and white photos, which basically means that if your photo was in black and white like this program over here, this website is going to actually make your black and white photo become a color photo. That is really awesome. Instead of just knowing how to make a photo from a color to a black and white, this is actually taking a black and white photo and turning it into a color photo, as you can see over here. It's really awesome, and I'm going to show you exactly an example right now. So you want to click on here. Make sure you click on I am not a robot. So just want to click on, just finish this I'm not a robot thing quickly and verify. So I've decided to go onto a website called pexels.com, which is a place where you can actually get free photos which you can use and you can sell and make money without any legal problems, without any copyright issues, no plagiarism, nothing like that. You can take the photos, do whatever you want with them. So this is why I personally love Pexels. So you want to type in black and white so that they give you some nice photos that are in black and white that you can use and sell. So you'll see over here different kinds of black and white photos that you can use for yourself. I personally found this one attractive, so you just want to click this down arrow over here and download it. And I found a couple more as well. This one over here, I downloaded that. And let's see over here, there was one beautiful one with the baby. Okay, this one over here, download. So when you're on Colorize over here, as you can see, when you go color new photo, make sure you just click on I am not a robot over here, sort that out. Then you quickly want to upload a black and white photo of your choice. So in my case, I like this baby photo that's in black and white of this guy and the baby. So basically what they're going to do is they're going to put color on that actual photo, which is actually really great. It's wonderful. I know technology is advancing and all, but you know, let's take opportunity. Let's take advantage of this opportunity right now. So you just want to make sure that it finishes, and as you can see over here, now we have a color photo. So when you drag this over here, you will see that it was once a black and white photo and now it's a color photo. Isn't that wonderful? I just find this really awesome. I really do. I don't know about you, but this is really, really, really awesome. Black and white, and all of a sudden there's color, and we know that this is a white guy, and we can identify the colors in the actual image. So we can try with a different one. I downloaded several photos from Pexels over here. So if we click on try it yourself again, just make sure to always click on I'm not a robot. It's just very important. Might get annoying, but it's worth it. Select photo, and I have another photo that I downloaded, which is, I think, this one over here of this woman. So you just want to wait for it. Doesn't take too long. Shouldn't take longer than 20 seconds, 30 seconds. So as you can see over here, they seem to have gotten some color for this image, which is really, really cool. I personally really like this. It's really, really awesome. So if we try it ourselves again with a different image, let's see what we get. So I'm gonna choose a different image that I downloaded, or maybe I can find another one, but I like this one over here. This is a couple in the water. So let's wait for it. Yo, this is really, really cool. Imagine that. Like, how is this even possible? That's really, 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 really cool. I like this. I really, really like this. It's really, really awesome. Don't you find this awesome? Just comment down below and like the video just to say how awesome this is. Okay, so basically now that we know that, and you know where to actually get the images, which is on Pexels, you can find so many like awesome artistic black and white photos that you can actually use and resell, and really, really cool black and white photos. So you want to go onto a different website called Fiverr. It's fiverr.com. So fiverr.com is basically a place where you can make money for selling your services, selling what you can do. It could be in the department of graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, and so on and so forth. So when you're over here, just type in colorize photo. Type in colorize photo. So you want to search and you will see different people are doing different things. For example, I will restore and colorize your old photos for an awesome present. $5. So it's basically similar to a black and white photo, and he's going to colorize it for you. Let's see something else. I will restore, retouch, repair, and colorize your old photo. So as you can see, it's sort of like a black and white photo. As he's made like that, and he's going to charge you $10. And as you can see, when this number over here, firstly it's rated 5 stars, and over here 288. So as you can see, if it has 288 reviews, it means that people have actually paid for this service, which means that 288 times $10, that is like almost $2,900 from doing something that is so easy that you can do on this website called Colorize. I mean, people are taking advantage of this opportunity, and it's great, and you should too, because I have, and it's great because it's so easy to do. People will think that you're a professional. People will just go and buy your services. Maybe you keep it to $10 or $5. People will just believe you're a professional. You just want to make sure that you have like a sample photo over here to show them the before and the after, so that they can see that, okay, this guy knows what he's doing, and they'll definitely try you out because it's only $10. You can make it $15. $5, and trust me, people are actually paying for this. That is why I'm showing you this. For example, over here, I will colorize, fix, repair, restore your damaged photos. $10. I will restore photo, colorize, fix, improve damage image. $5. So as you can see, it ranges between $5 and $10. So all you want to do is basically you want to do what these people are doing, because they're making money. As you can see, we have here 52 people already here, and the rating is 4.9, which is really good. So all you want to do, if you're interested in this, you want to click become a seller. When you click on become a seller, it's just going to show you a couple of things over here. You just want to click on become a seller. So you can decide to join with Facebook, which is just a simple method. Just connect your Facebook to this, so you don't have to create an account. Or you can just continue with Google, just sign in with your Gmail address or with your Apple ID address. Or you can, if you have like a Yahoo account or an Outlook email address, you can just use that as well and just create an account. It's absolutely easy to do. So I hope it makes sense. The website to make these colorful things is colorize.com, COLOURISE.SG, and it's really awesome to do. I mean, look at this. This was a black and white photo, and all of a sudden it's in color. I mean, like, I know it to some people it's not such a big deal, but I mean, like, for people like me and a couple of other people who are making money from this, we feel like it's really a helpful deal. It's really a helpful thing, because people don't believe that this thing is actually easily done. But this secret that I'm showing to you, so that you can actually make money for yourself. So I hope it helps you. Comment down below your progress on how you've been able to make some cash from this. And remember, when you're on Fiverr, just always monitor the prices that people are giving for this kind of service. $5 to $10. Some people will go to $25 to $15. So you want to make sure you keep it at $5, $10, so that people will more likely click on yours. As you can see, $5 for this. Some people keep it at $5, some take it to $10. Make sure that you don't make it more than $10 for one photo, because I mean, come on. You're not doing anything. All you're doing is going on here, and everything's been done for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like the video, subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that subscribe button. It's absolutely free, and turn on the notification bell so that you receive a notification when I upload my new videos. And check out my playlist on my channel. I have a playlist that can help you to make more money online. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.